these comments asked for a tutorial on how to foot jam tail whip, so I will make that. Some useful things to have for this trick would be a front brake and a gyro, but you don't really need it to do this trick. So the first step is foot jamming, but it's really just like placing your foot on the tire or placing it in between the forks. And once again, if you have a front brake, it really helps to use it right now. So I'm going to take the foot I place forward when I ride with, this would be my right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in the fork where the jam is the tire. Easy enough, right? For the tail whip, you're going to have to place your lead foot over the frame on the opposite side, so I'll show you right now. Lead foot, opposite side, jam. So now, the tail whip. So one thing with the tail whip is as you're tail whipping, it helps to hold the front brake, okay? So try doing this a few times where you're on the front tire, you just hold it like this, and you just use your arms to tail whip. Try that a few times, make sure you try to use your arms though, okay? That's what would help you get that tail whip around better. Now it's time for riding and whipping. So, you're going to take the lead foot over like I already mentioned, and you're going to want to place it, or jam it into the tire, and you're going to want to kick up and around, okay? So, that kicking motion, which I'll give you a better view, okay, so once you get good enough to start getting this tail whip around, just to mention, when you're tail whipping around, make sure to hold that front brake. So that way, which I'm going to get to it in a second, when you're tail whipping, you hold the front brake. If your center of balance goes off, you don't fly over the bars, which can be scary. And B, which is really important right now. So once you get this whip around, you're going to have to